Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the device and permissions so backups can link to Google Drive. This is the core of connecting your Google account to WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp and go to Settings Chats Chat Backup. Then tap Backup to Google Drive, choose a backup frequency, and select the Google account you want to use. Make sure you grant WhatsApp access to your contacts and storage. Without those permissions, the backup process will fail, so do this now. Once done selecting the account, configure how backups run and why each option matters. Choose a frequency, daily, weekly, or monthly, so backups happen automatically. Toggle Include Videos only if you want larger backups. Videos can multiply storage use. Tap Backup Now to create an immediate copy. Watch the progress to confirm it uploaded to Google Drive. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi if the backup is large, because mobile data can be slow or costly and may interrupt the process. To finish, install WhatsApp on the target device and verify your phone number. This links the account and triggers the Google Drive Restore prompt. Choose the same Google account you used for backup, then tap Restore and wait for messages and media to download. This may take time. If something goes wrong, make sure you're signed into the exact Google account, confirm there's enough drive storage, and use a stable Wi-Fi connection. If Restore still fails, retry backup on the old device and try again.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.